Cordray Continental. We are located in Albany, Oregon. We are 13,500 square feet here, 2 city blocks long. We have 15 people now, 10 technicians. We have 16 lifts. We have gas specialists and we have diesel specialists in the back. We can do anything. Bumper to bumper maintenance. We do engines, we can do transmissions, full bumper to bumper service and maintenance on diesel and gas. We give you a good repair at a fair price. That's what we do here. We have a lot of specialty equipment here. We have switched from pen and paper for inspections to digital. What it's done for the customer base is we can do a digital inspection when the car comes through the door, and that gets forwarded to the customer's phone, and they can visually see with green, yellow, or red check marks indicating the urgency of what we're seeing. Has been a tremendous help. We have a very vast array of talent here. We've got probably 2 or 3 of the best diesel guys in the industry here. We continue to educate our technicians. We push education pretty hard. We pay for all the education for our techs and encourage them to better their lives. Our resources are tremendous here. Anytime there's any education through our vendors for our technicians, we send them. We pay for all that for the technicians. We give them the ability to learn here. We provide them with tools they wouldn't normally have in other places. I had a genetic encryption, was attracted to anything with wheels on it as a kid. Anything in my life was car oriented or had a motor in it, whether it would be dirt bikes, snowmobiles, whatever it may be. I'm still horribly addicted to anything power sports. That passion never dies. I've probably had more vehicles than any 20 humans put together. Not everybody can afford to come in and get large repairs done without some kind of financing. Synchrony helps make it possible for them to get their vehicle repaired. We aspire to have this shop working on our customers' kids' cars down the road. This business on the transmission side is over 40 years old. My diesel business that I incorporated into this in 2008, we're about 25 years old. We hope this place is in this town forever. This is always going to be a go-to facility for the kids that came in here in baby seats that now own their own cars. It's pretty cool. We just do what we do because of the passion for the trade. We're mechanics. I'm a mechanic. I've been a mechanic my whole life. Looking back, I'm pretty proud of this whole business.